car? Sounds like a jet. That's awesome, right? So we've had the Jaguar XFR for about a day now, just under, and one thing I can tell you is very quick. It's super fast, isn't it, Joe? I mean, we took it up to a very legal speed on the motorway earlier, and James said, "God, it kind of feels as fast as the Quadrifoglio," and I said, "I think it's even quicker," but it's not that spectacular. So me and James think it's kind of just a bit subtle inside the car. I'll show you what it sounds like when you accelerate hard. Got a clear piece of road. I mean, it's exciting because it's quick. And you know it's quick because you feel yourself being pushed back into the seat. You can see on the speedo, obviously legal speeds we're doing here, and but it doesn't sound excited, and I think the sound's a big part of a car like this, or it should be anyway. It's nothing like the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio that sounds like an old school flat six Porsche, and it's certainly nothing like a Mercedes C63S, which is a complete mentalist when you put it into race mode. It kind of almost sounds like it's, I don't know, like an S500 Merc or something, or like a hybrid or something like that.
It doesn't have that V8 burble that you'd expect.
No, I think from outside the car we kind of heard it did a little bit, didn't we?
Yeah.
But obviously you're driving along in this kind of quite luxurious car with the windows up, aircon on, heated seats, and you need it to come through louder if you're going to experience it when you're driving the car. So let's go and put a straight pipe on it. James, could you do us a favour, mate?
What's that?
Do you mind lifting those two brake discs up? You have to lift them together because the boxes are attached to each other.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Why do I feel like you're having me on?
Well, it's just that I've hurt my ankle, so I can't lift anything.
Oh. Yeah, there's a bit of metal in there, isn't there?
I've never felt brake discs that heavy.
Oh my god!
Oh, what are they? That's got to be 30 kilos, hasn't it?
Oh, at least.
They're big, but
What are
they're not made out of...
they? For a Daimler?
Well, that's pretty much the same thing, isn't it? So what James and I decided to do at this point was to test what the car sounded like before we put a straight pipe on it, and then we'll do the same again when we've actually changed it. So that was in the workshop, but more importantly, this is what it sounds like outside the car. Yeah, let's get a straight pipe on it. So next we got the car up in the air and looking like we knew what we were doing, started working on the brakes and the exhaust. The front brakes were warped quite badly, so we were putting some new discs on from Napa, thanks Napa. And we're going to see what that sounds like just as soon as we're finished.
Alright, I'm recording.
Are you?
Oh, there.
Why are you recording, James? Right, so that is part of an exhaust. Right? Ow! It fired something into my eye. Yeah, so that's part of an exhaust.
What part is it?
The back bit, without the...
It's not a back box, is it?
Without the back boxes, right? So
It is.
straight through, so basically undo those, get a big hammer and like whack that, and same this side, put those ones on, get the hammer again, bang, pretty much done, isn't it?
So the only tool we need is a hammer?
Hammer and a chisel, I think. Alright, what size is that?
It looks like they've come off recently, so they should be nice and easy to get off.
Not bad. I thought you said you were going to change the exhaust.
I've got my hands full, I'm afraid.
Easy. Now what do you do? Is there another one on the other side? No. So just force that off, I guess. You haven't got the hammer yet, no? Push those. Right, I got it. We do need a hammer, actually.
Oh, we do, yeah. Oh, I wouldn't do that. You don't need. Why are you doing that?
Let's get it out.
You don't need to get it out.
Well, that's got to come off, right?
No.
Oh, you think that'd be loose enough now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just give that a big yank.
With a hammer?
No.
Big yank?
Yeah.
It's too high. How Adam died? Car fell on top of it.
Oh, don't say that.
That's a fucking hammer job, mate. Can you hit an exhaust with a hammer? You can if your name's Jay. Yeah, that's not going to work. This is the point when a mechanic would say, hit it, don't tickle it.
No, it wasn't before.
That's about to go, I think.
Perfect.
Yeah, that is. So what's going to happen is it just going to dangle down on those hangers? I think it should be alright, shouldn't it?
Put one hand on there. There we go.
Easy. Face full of WD-40. Now what do we do, James?
I'm a bit stuck.
Let it dangle.
Easy.
Easy.
Do you know I said we didn't need to take those clamps off?
Clamps. Oh yeah. That's too high for me. You're going to have to do this bit.
Right, let's swap.
Hey, he's done it.
There's one.
I
At least you're saving a bit of weight now.
I almost feel like we could be charging people to do this. Could be doing it for a living.
I wouldn't charge by day rate though.
Nice. Right, just...
Easy.
I'll just quickly get the front wheels off.
Just walking in circles around the car.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Are they caps?
I think always don't do the locking wheel nut first. You're waiting for me to do the last one so the wheel falls off, aren't you?
Yep. Oh, he's a big strong boy.
The wheels are heavy as well. So James has a tendency to want to get hours and hours of footage, even for a few seconds, because he's a professional cameraman. So we've had to sort through hours of footage just to shorten it all down. But yeah, you don't want to see me getting greasy, really, do you? So let's skip through most of it.
Oh, God! Oh, have you ever seen that in a disc?
No.
Can any of you tell us in the comments what these little grooves are for? Because we have not.
Oh, is that recording just normal speed?
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be fun. I've always wanted to buy a new hard drive. So who are you expecting is going to go through and sort all this footage then?
That's not my problem. Everything on this is so heavy.
Yeah, I think someone said this car's 2 tons. I thought it can't be 2 tons. Sure.
There's 1 ton. A rolling mess.
I mean, if it's 2 tons, it must have about 2,000 horsepower.
1 minute.
Did you say weight?
Yeah.
I didn't wait. Oh, you know what we didn't do? Just put the rubber thing back in.
That's exactly it. Whatever. You need hydration to put up with Adam.
Oh, yeah, that's mine! Cheeky bastard. That's mine, isn't it? Where's my one?
I wish that was yours.
Why am I putting the bloody wheels on? Surely this is a...
Because you're Adam Drives, mate.
Yeah, I'm not Adam puts bloody wheels on, am I? Right. Ah, Jesus!
God. At least you got studs on here from standard.
They're kind of small though. The studs. The studs are no good. Right, I'm not confident. Well.
Brake fluid.
Brake reservoir cap, which is your job because you took it off. Do you know where it is?
It's on the side.
So it's not going to be. So I've basically got to start it and not brake, which you can't do.
No, just put the cap off.
Oh, you want me to do it? That'll be an exciting video for everyone, won't it? I bet you can't wait for this.
You excited? You see what this sounds
I
like?
think I'm not as excited as you.
Oh, I'm quite excited. I think it's good. Could improve the sound. Oh, spongy brakes.
Oh. Sounds like a NASCAR.
Sounds like a jet.
That's awesome, over.
Oh, we got a little backfire. Yeah.
Okay, that was a good thing we did there, I think. I'm not sure about driving to Spain in that.
Well, that's made a difference, isn't it?
I don't know how that's going to pass an MOT, mate. So as you can see, James gets quite excited about loud noises, but let's see how it sounds on the road.
Sounds angry.
Oh, just like the neighbours are going to be, right?
Yeah, just a bit.
Right, so this is the first time we've experienced it on the road. Obviously, we've heard it at the unit, and it sounds kind of mental in there.
It's quite noisy, isn't it?
I've put it in sport mode. Should I put it in race mode as well?
Yeah, it's got to be done, isn't it?
Traction control? Off.
Who wants traction control?
Right, that's off. So hopefully we've got a nice quiet piece of road.
Oh, it's rumbly even at, what was it, 2,000 revs?
Yeah, just above 2,000, so... Oh, the overrun noise.
The raspy.
It's a bit of supercharger whine there. That was the rev limiter.
I like it. It's not too asbo. It's loud.
You are joking.
Oh, you can.
Sounds like a NASCAR.
It does remind me a bit of the Vantage, the V8.
I think this is quite a bit louder though.
Oh, do you?
Luckily we've got decent tyres on the car. Pilot
The
Sport
PS4s,
4SS,
yeah. Ooh.
Traction control's still kind of kicking in, even though it's turned off. It's a fast car, right? And it feels like you're kind of wafting quickly, doesn't it? Yeah, I like that. That's a cool sound.
Nice.
I don't know about doing a road trip to Spain in it, though.
Oh, I don't know.
You don't think it'll get old?
You might drown out your passengers.
That's not a bad point. So what do you reckon? Is it worth straight piping your car?
Yeah, let's do it.
You would say that, wouldn't you? 'Cause
Yeah.
You're a child, even by comparison to me.
What other cars can we straight pipe?
I wonder what the Giulia Quadrifoglio would sound like with straight pipe.
Oh.
I think with the more modern cars, you can just, you can turn it into race mode or super race mode or whatever it is, and it does it for you. I don't know exactly how it works. I guess it's like valves in the exhaust. But,
Yeah, it must be.
That would be great if you could just turn a switch to make this car sound like that.
An animal.
And then go back to like sensible. Actually, should we try it in just normal drive? See what it's like?
Yeah.
See if we're still getting the overrun noises or not.
Just take it out of the Aspo.
Take it
Aspo
out
mode.
of race mode. Right, so we're driving it like normally now. Much lower RPM, so 2,000 RPM. I'll just lift off the throttle. No overrun noise. I'll do a downshift.
Yeah.
So I'm in such a high gear. So even when so go into the right gear. Just kind of try driving it normally.
That's just like a...
That's more like the Aston.
Yes, yeah. You're probably
that.
right there.
Yeah. So I wonder what it's like on the motorway. Is it going to be too drony on the motor? Because this is Liverpool, isn't it? See what? Oh, there's a bit of a pop there. Just put the windows down and see what it sounds like.
Yeah. Should we get the mic, the camera out the window?
So this is driving it normally, right? And this is driving it, well, we can't really because we've got a lorry in front of us, but we'll try and drive it not normally for a minute. We'll do a little launch.
It's got some grunt to it, this, isn't it?
That's, yeah, that is quite fun. That is quite fun. I don't think that would get old
No.
very quickly. It does, I mean, I tell you what, it's not often actually a car puts a smile on my face.
I think I've had a grin on mine
I think
since
it's
we've been in it.
It's, what do you call it when it's non-voluntary? An involuntary grin. That's what this car is. So
That's how you want a car to make you feel.
it is, yeah, especially with all living in this kind of depressing country.
It's the kind of car that you're going to pull up outside Waitrose, get out, lock it, go to walk in, and you're always going to turn around and just have that little glance
Well, you
back.
might give an old dear a heart attack.
Or
It's
that,
just out for
yeah.
a weekly shop. But,
Yeah, you're either picking up your cornflakes or dialing 999 for the old lady.
So, should we give it a score out of 10? For the straight pipe
Ooh.
conversion on the Jaguar XFR. I don't know, like if it was something you could just switch on and off with a, obviously it hasn't got the functionality to do that, but I'd say it's like, that would be a 9 then, wouldn't it? If you got to live with it all the time, obviously I've not tried to live with it all the time yet, but I suspect you're going to annoy your neighbours, for sure.
Cold starts at 5 AM just before work.
Yeah, I don't see that going all that well, but if it's a weekend car and you kind of leave it until, I don't know, 10 AM or whatever to start her up, I don't suppose, unless they're real miserable bastards,
There's
which
a few
lot
of those around.
a lot of people are in this country, I will be honest, but
It's
yeah.
because they don't have a straight pipe Jag.
Yeah, we could do it as a service. Just offer to straight pipe their cars, or do it while they're asleep, and then how would they react to that? These imaginary people we're talking about.
Or what about if we straight pipe your other half's car without her knowing?
That would be funny, wouldn't it?
That'd be quite
I wonder what
amusing.
that'd sound like. A little, because what is it? A 2 litre or something?
No, 1.6.
Don't know. Mini Cooper. I should know, shouldn't I? But it's a Mini Cooper S. Wonder what that'd sound like. Straight pipes. Probably look it up on YouTube actually. In the next video, I'll be working out how to turn the traction control off on the XFR and then seeing how easy it is to drift. Stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. And if you want to see how the sound of the straight piped XFR compares to the Aston V8 James mentioned, check out this video here.